Before installing the Spectrum TV app, first verify that you have a compatible Samsung Smart TV. The Spectrum TV app works on Samsung Smart TVs manufactured from 2017 onwards, running Samsung's Tizen operating system. To begin installation, locate the Smart Hub button on your Samsung remote control. This button provides access to the Samsung App Store, where you can download and install apps. Once in the App Store, navigate to the search bar, typically located in the top right corner. Type Spectrum TV to find the official app. Select the Spectrum TV app from the search results and click Install. Before opening the app, ensure your Samsung TV is connected to your home Spectrum internet network. This is crucial for the app to function properly and authenticate your account. Now open the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung TV. You'll be prompted to sign in using your existing Spectrum username and password. Enter your credentials carefully to access your Spectrum TV service. Keep in mind some important limitations. The Spectrum TV app is only available for use within the United States. Additionally, certain features like Remote DVR Manager and Spectrum Receiver Remote Control are not available on the Samsung Smart TV version of the app. When the Spectrum TV app isn't working properly, the first step is to verify your Samsung TV is compatible. The app works on Samsung Smart TVs from 2017 onwards with Tizen operating system. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming. If you're experiencing issues, restart your router and run a speed test to ensure adequate bandwidth. Power cycling your TV can resolve many issues. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the power outlet for about 1 minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Clearing the Spectrum app's cache or completely reinstalling the app can fix glitches and corrupted files that may be causing problems. Keeping your Samsung TV's firmware up to date ensures compatibility with the latest app versions. Check for updates in your TV's settings menu. Turn off any VPN services as they can interfere with the app's performance. Also check for service outages on the Spectrum website or app. If you experience lag or buffering, check your internet speed. You need at least 3 Mbps for standard definition, 5 Mbps for HD, and 25 Mbps for 4K streaming. If all troubleshooting steps fail, a factory reset of your TV may resolve persistent issues. Remember to back up your settings before performing a factory reset.